How these 5 supplements affect cognition. Turmeric. Curcumin, a yellow pigment found primarily in turmeric, a flowering plant in the ginger family. Curcumin can help fight inflammation and keep blood sugar levels steady. Chronic high blood sugars can interfere with brain function and cognition. Turmeric, and especially its most active compound curcumin, have many scientifically proven health benefits, such as the potential to prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant and may also help improve symptoms of depression and arthritis pain. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential to maintain important functions of the body such as calcium homeostasis, maintenance of skeletal integrity, and neurodevelopment. Low blood levels of vitamin D has been linked to many problems such as dementia, depression, diabetes, autism, and schizophrenia. Ground flax seed. Not only does flax improve brain function, but it helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Flax also helps lower cholesterol and balance blood sugar, making it a great supplement to include in any diet. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk can boost concentration. Psyllium husk powder helps to improve concentration and mental health. It can reduce fatigue and increase energy levels to perform any activities with utmost focus. It may also help maintain healthy blood sugar. DHEA. In humans, the circulating concentrations of dehydroepiandrosterone, DHEA, and DHEA sulfate, DHEAs, decrease markedly during aging and have been implicated in age-associated cognitive decline. For more how supplements affect cognition, please subscribe. Till next time, to your good health.